a video just a few minutes ago when we were heading out from the job site, and this thing right here caught my eye, and you decided you were going to tell me about it. I've never seen this before. It's clearly called the Waterbox. It says it across the top. But once Jeremy showed me what it was, I knew I had to show you guys what this is, because I've never seen this before. So you take it away. Tell us what this thing is.
Well, it's
so excited about it.
I'll show you here. It's a water box, and it just looks like a box in the ground. But as we pull it up, there is the spigot, and actually push down on it, and it's sturdier.
So you can hook up your hose to this.
That's correct.
And you can hit. I'm going to turn it on.
Yes. There you go.
Okay. So for me, this is revolutionary for two reasons. Well, three reasons. One, you don't have a spigot standing up in the middle of your yard. That's one. I'm treating you as if you invented this thing, because it's that amazing. I'm not. You just introduced it to me, which is just as good. So it doesn't have a spigot that's standing up in the middle of the yard. Huge. Second of all, it hooks into the irrigation system. Which,
well, this actually can hook into any system, but like if I'm putting in an irrigation system, I'm going to add them somewhere in the yard. Usually we'll put 2 of them, but a lot of times the irrigation system is not hooked up to your regular water meter if you're in the city limits, which is hooked up to your sewer.
Right.
So washing vehicles, watering some stuff in the yard,
putting water in my pool,
water in the pool,
which is huge.
It's huge. But the thing about these Site One, I actually that's where we get them at, and they're easy. They hook right into the main water line for the system, and I've always done it. And Catherine here seen it.
This is the first time I've ever seen them. I just think they're really cool.
Anyway,
I think they're really useful. It reminds me a lot of when people say, do you want more outlets in this outdoor space? It's like you can never have too many outlets.
That's correct.
And you for sure can never have too many spigots to access for all kinds of reasons. The big thing with irrigation meter and this hooking into irrigation is that you don't pay the city sewer cost, which is usually 2/3 of the cost of water. So having this will save you tons of money in the long run on your water bills by
it gives you more opportunity to use water in your outdoor space.
Right, which is huge. So
that's correct.
You could definitely have this also hooked up to like a fountain, have it split off and go to a couple different places. Anyway, so if you've never heard of these before, please go look them up. They're called Waterbox. You can get them locally at Site One, which is a wholesale place. They're wholesale, right?
They'll sell retail also.
Okay. You can get them from Site One. You can get them, I think, at Tractor Supply is where I just Googled and looked up. Okay. But check them out. Just something new for you guys to maybe try in your own home. I will be installing one very soon for our pool to fill up. So anyway, happy shopping for the Waterbox.